Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, we are going to be testing out a teeth whitening kit that one of my fellow YouTubers recommended, and I got it off of her discount code. It's normally $100, it's now $50, and it claims to whiten your teeth with zero sensitivity. So, want to see if it works and what it is? Stay tuned and let's do this. All right, so one of my fellow YouTubers posted a video on this. They'd given her a discount code, and she said that it totally worked and there was absolutely no sensitivity. Now, she has really white teeth to begin with, and I'm not really sure that I could tell a difference on her face. She did not do a before and after or anything like that, so I thought I would try it out. I did end up spending $52 on it, and it's the Lasmile. It's either Lasmile or Lasmile. We're going with the Lasmile teeth whitening kit here, and I got junk all over it. That's disgusting. Try that again. Now it's really just greasy. Okay. Anyway, it's a teeth whitening kit, and it comes with three little syringes here, and each one is 2 days worth of product, and you basically pump out a quarter of it, quarter on the top, quarter on the bottom, the next day quarter on the top, quarter on the bottom. You pump it into this little mouth guard, stick it in your mouth, turn this blue light on for 10 minutes, and it automatically shuts off and beeps at you. Also, it gives you this Lasmile teeth whitening, kind of gauge to see what you begin and what you end at. I have done it for the full 6 days. It's 10 minutes, and this is what I'm at now. My thoughts. It has zero sensitivity. I mean, none. It's like you've done nothing. So, and it only takes 10 minutes, so it's super fast. You brush your teeth after, you're good to go. It's really, really quick. However, if you can see the before and after, I don't see anything. Maybe a half a shade, maybe. And so $50, I could have got the Crest White Strips for $50, and those have a dramatic difference. Yes, they cause sensitivity. What I do with that, I've done a previous video on another whitening kit with the charcoal one, where I'll show you, which that's really good for maintenance. But as far as really whitening and having the sensitivity, right when I put it in, every 4 to 6 hours, I'll take some ibuprofen throughout the week, probably every 6 hours throughout the week, take an ibuprofen along with it. It really helps with the teeth sensitivity. I really can't get away from it. It just sort of diminishes it, makes it tolerable. But I was super excited about this because it really does have no sensitivity. Unfortunately, I don't really think it did very much for me. So I don't think it's worth the buy. $50 and it did virtually nothing. Really bummed about this one because she was super excited and said it totally worked. But again, her teeth are just like brilliant white already. And so it really couldn't have gone much whiter for her. So, Lasmile, I don't know if I should request a refund and send them my before and after pictures because it did nothing, really. So, I think save your money on this one and just do the ibuprofen and the Crest, and hopefully someone else will come out with a teeth whitening kit that actually does work and doesn't cause teeth sensitivity. Anyway, that is it for today's video. I hope that you did find it helpful and useful, and that it will save you $50. I just do these things for you guys. All right, otherwise I hope you're having a great day. Stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next video.